The Westland Lynx isn't just any helicopter. It set a world speed record of 249 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour, in 1986, a record still unbeaten by conventional helicopters. Used in combat, search and rescue, and even stunt flying, it's one of the only helicopters capable of full loops and rolls. With its legendary agility and power, the Lynx redefined what a helicopter could do. Did you know it could fly upside down?
The Westland Lynx could keep flying even after being hit by bullets thanks to its reinforced armor and damage-resistant rotor blades. Built for combat, it was tough as well as fast. What's your favorite military helicopter?